distinguished guests, key stakeholders, members of the community, ladies and gentlemen, Ms. Runaka, and a very good morning to you all. Naka tomanda wapimbe na tawayo na eloni bingomi ani loloma ani tula loloma ina matadai na ni kuwe keretuna ni soti na nungu sani bingoma na yangona sani nungu baby kemito biko na sini nungu lolo kina bima manisini sere tuna nungu time o sere bima manisini ni soti ya Orang kira tengah memang ono sampai kuara, sebuah bahan lagi. Bahkan itu kortona bosnya tela. Orang kira memang musuh di nopo bosnya bahan lagi. Naka, today marks a significant milestone in our nation's commitment to conserving our marine environment. I stand before you today to launch the Fisheries Tavarua Island Marine Reserve Regulations of 2025, a crucial step towards safeguarding the rich biodiversity and promoting the sustainable use of our coastal and marine resources. Our oceans and marine ecosystems are vital to our way of life, supporting our fisheries, sustaining our tourism industry, and providing habitat for countless species including giant clams, sharks, rays, sea turtles, coral reefs, and many others. Based on the request of the Malolo and recognizing the importance of these vulnerable marine resources, the government has taken decisive action to establish the Tavarua Island Marine Reserve, an area designated to conserve, protect, and enhance the productivity of our marine life. These regulations, enacted under the powers conferred to me as Minister by the Fisheries Act of 1941, establishes a clear guideline and protection within the marine reserve and its surrounding buffer zone. They prohibit activities that threaten our marine biodiversity, such as indiscriminate fishing, collection of marine organisms, and development activities within the coastal zone without prior approval. They also set out penalties for violations, ensuring that enforcement is both firm and fair. The Marine Reserve aims to promote sustainable fishing practices, scientific research, and eco-friendly tourism, including surfing, diving, and snorkeling, which are vital to our local communities and the national economy. To support these efforts, the regulations empower the Minister of Fisheries to oversee management, monitor activities, and enforce compliance. Our team is working hard to complete the implementation and monitoring plan, which will be launched soon. Furthermore, the regulations provide for the issuance of guidelines for marine ecosystem restoration and restocking activities. This will help us rebuild depleted populations such as giant clams and other key species, thereby maintaining the resilience of our marine environment for future generations. The initiative reflects our government's commitment to environmental stewardship, sustainable development, and the preservation of our natural heritage. It is a collaborative effort involving government agencies, Ministry of Fisheries, Fiji Navy, Fiji Police, Maritime Safety Authority of Fiji, Ministry of Environment, and the Ministry of Lands. Local communities, scientists, and stakeholders who all share the vision of a thriving, healthy marine ecosystem. The Tavarua Island Marine Reserve 2025 contributes to and expands Fiji's total area of marine protected areas within a 5.62 square kilometer contribution to Fiji's national commitment to protect 30% of fisheries water by 2030. The Tavarua Island Marine Reserve of 2025 demonstrates Fiji's commitment to a sustainable blue economy, promoting economic growth and improving livelihoods while ensuring the sustainable use of aquatic resources and preserving biodiversity. In closing, I urge Tavarua Island Resort to collaborate closely with our Malolo through benefit sharing mechanisms to ensure transparency and equity in the distribution of funds generated from the marine protected area. I also call on all citizens, visitors and stakeholders to support and adhere to these regulations. Together, we can ensure that the beauty, bounty, and biodiversity of our marine environment are preserved for future generations and enhanced to increase our contribution to GDP. Isang tayo na turang pilot to ilaw, ikim ni na wala turang Malolo, may dotong dangan ng buwas malaka-laka, weekend na matagalib na ko sa mga tungay na kanalib na wali.